Hi guys, Dirk here. Thanks so much for tuning in. My quest for the perfect 4K dash cam always ended in a struggle. Whether the dash cams had an amazing image quality, but were way too overpriced, or they were priced right, or even a bargain, but the image quality was crap. Until I came across this one, the Red Tiger F7NP, a 4K dash cam that I installed in my personal car, and I'm very happy about it because it is the perfect compromise. I did not install the rear camera though. I have it here. So everyone who's expecting rear camera footage, this video is not for you. But I'm happy to share with you the front camera footage 4K by day and by night. On the left side we have on top the power button and underneath the slot for the micro SD card, and what I really like is that it's so good and easy accessible. On the right side we do have the menu buttons and the up and down arrows in order to zap through the menu. The layout makes a lot of sense and is very convenient. And I also like the size of this camera. The suction cup is one of the best I've ever tested, and even in hot Florida the camera doesn't fall off as often as, for example, the Ventro N2 Pro. Thanks so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Till the next time, stay safe and take care. Bye for now.